we're going to be making a squishy out of paper. I'm not sure if it's going to work out, so let's get on. So for this DIY, you're going to need a piece of paper, sellotape, scissors, toilet paper. You could use a plastic bag if you wanted, just to make it squishier, and colours or a pencil. So first step, you're just going to fold a piece of paper in half. Then you're going to draw, let's say, you can draw anything you want. I'm going to draw a cute face. So I'm just going to get a black marker and I'm going to start drawing. So for a cute face, you start off with an eye like this. And then you colour it in black. Just like that. And you can add some eyelashes. Just like that. And then you do the other eye. Not really good at drawing reflections, but I'll try. So you just repeat it. Just like that. And then you can draw the smiley face. And you can add a little bow around the side or something like that. So I'm just going to add a little bow up at the top. As I said, I'm not that good at drawing reflections, so the other side might not be good. So then you can colour it in pink or any colour. I'm going to colour the circle in pink. Kind of looks like a purple. And then I'm going to draw the bow part purple. It doesn't have to be perfect because you can try again. And there you have it. The smiley face. So then you can just do the shades in pink or whatever colour you want them. Just like that. Then you're going to open a piece of paper. You're going to get some toilet paper. You're going to break. Get as much pieces as you want. I only get a little bit because then I'm going to put the bag in. And then you just set it straight, you put that to the side. And then I have to open the tape. So when you open the tape, if it's new, you can just you tape it at the sides, and then first you fold it and then you tape it at the sides. So it will take 1 sec. So I'm back now. I opened the tape, so I'm gonna have to close this up again. Then you fold it. And you can hold it down, like, let's say with the scissors. If that doesn't work, you just leave it open. And you get the tape. And you tape it. So the tape just fell down, so I'm going to have to pick it up and yeah, I'll be back in 1 sec. So I got the tape now. I'm going to have to... This is not that easy if you don't have, like, adults help. Because you need someone to fold it down for you and, like, help you hold it. So, as you see, I'm just going to, like, get the tape and put it down. So this part isn't sticky anymore, so I'm just going to put that part off. And I'm just going to guess this part. I'm just going to stick it up here, and it's going to be way easier to hold on. I'm just going to cut it at this side so it'll be perfect length. Be careful you don't cut the paper, or you just don't ruin it. So I'm going to get it down to the level. So I'm just going to cut it again. Just a little piece for the sides. And I'm just going to do the other side where it really isn't going to. If it doesn't try out for you, you can just do it again. It's okay. Practice makes perfect. So you're just going to tape it here like the other side. But then you're just going to fold the tape. And if it doesn't stick properly, put the other tape on again. So now you're just going to put tape on these sides here. And it's already pretty working. You can bring this to class and use it as a pillow. So you can use it pretty much for sleeping in class. Or if you feel sick and you don't want to tell the teacher, just put your head down. Just fold the sides. And here's a squishy pillow. So you can use it for class, and you can even doodle on the back if you're bored. So here's the pillow, and you can use it as a squishy too. So even when, let's say, you're really bored and you love to draw, you could even write a story on the back. So yeah. And soon I'll be doing the same one of these, but with a 3 marker challenge. And I only use 3 markers for this. Well, 4 because 1 pen. So pink, black, purple, and really dark pink, which actually turned out to be purple. So smash that subscribe button, and what's the challenge of you clicking the like button with your elbow? Bye!